Understanding waggish, adding fun to English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting and somewhat playful topic to discuss: the word waggish. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone keen on enhancing your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore what waggish means, how to use it, and look at some examples together. The term waggish is an adjective used to describe a person or behavior that is playful, humorous, or mischievous in a light-hearted way. When you call someone waggish, you're saying they're fond of making jokes, and they have a cheerful and amusing personality. It's important to note that waggish behavior is not meant to be harmful or mean-spirited. It's all in good fun. Now that we know what waggish means, let's talk about how to use it in a sentence. You can use waggish to describe a person, an action, or a remark. For instance, Jake is known for his waggish personality at work. He always knows how to make us laugh. Sarah made a waggish remark during the meeting, lightening the mood. In both examples, waggish is used to highlight the playful and humorous nature of the person and their actions. Understanding synonyms, words with similar meanings, and antonyms, words with opposite meanings, can help you grasp the concept of waggish better. Synonyms include jocular, whimsical, playful, witty. Antonyms include serious, solemn, grave. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Try using waggish in your own sentences. Think about a playful friend or a funny incident, and describe it using waggish. Remember, the more you use new words, the better you remember them. And that's a wrap on waggish. We hope this video has added a playful twist to your English learning journey and that you now feel more comfortable using this word in your daily conversations. Remember, learning English is all about practice, and you're doing a fantastic job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.